Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. English conversation practice using phrasal verb. Come across. Did you come across my keys?
Yes, they're on the table.
I came across an old diary today.
What did it say?
Have you come across this song before?
No, is it new?
I came across a cute cafe yesterday.
Let's go there sometime.
I came across an interesting article online.
What was it about?
Did you come across my water bottle?
Check in the kitchen.
I came across a great sale at the mall.
Let's check it out.
Have you ever come across this movie?
Yes, it's really good.
I came across some old photos in my drawer.
Show me.
Did you come across my phone charger?
It's in the living room.
I came across a beautiful park today.
Where is it?
Have you come across this book before?
Yes, I've read it.
I came across an old friend at the market.
That's nice.
Did you come across my notebook?
No, I haven't.
I came across a funny video online.
Send it to me.
Have you ever come across this place?
No, but it looks amazing.
I came across a cute dog on my walk.
Did you take a picture?
Did you come across the news today?
No, what happened?
I came across a new recipe to try.
Let's cook it together.
Have you come across this word before?
Yes, it means happy.
I came across some old toys in the attic.
That's so cool.
Did you come across my pen?
Yes, it's on the desk.
I came across a nice quote today.
What was it?
Have you ever come across this app?
No, what does it do?
I came across a new coffee shop.
Is it good?
Did you come across any new movies?
Yes, there's one I want to watch.
I came across my childhood drawing.
That's adorable.
Have you come across this TV show?
No, but I'll check it out.
I came across a good deal online.
What's on sale?
Did you come across my glasses?
They're on the shelf.
I came across a funny meme today.
Show me.
Have you ever come across this brand?
Yes, it's really popular.
I came across an old letter from you.
What did it say?
Did you come across my wallet?
Check the couch.
I came across a cool gadget online.
What is it for?
Have you come across this restaurant?
Yes, it's really good.
I came across an old recipe from Grandma.
Let's try it.
Did you come across any new books?
Yes, I found a good one.
I came across a beautiful sunset today.
That sounds lovely.
Have you ever come across this website?
No, what's it about?
I came across an interesting fact about space.
Tell me more.
Did you come across my jacket?
It's on the chair.
I came across some wildflowers on my walk.
Did you pick any?
Have you come across this app before?
Yes, I use it daily.
I came across an old calendar today.
Was it from last year?
Did you come across my headphones?
They're under the bed.
I came across a funny joke online.
Tell me.
Have you ever come across this painting?
Yes, it's famous.
I came across a new series to watch.
Let's watch it together.
Did you come across my umbrella?
It's by the door.
Subscribe the channel for more videos.